Piso Livadi in Paros, Greece. Make sure you are subscribed so you can get all of my content from Greece during my 6-month travel. And make sure you like the video because it absolutely helps the channel. So let's get started this walkthrough tour of Piso Livadi on Paros Island. Another thing that I wanted to mention is I started doing cash giveaways for all of my YouTube subscribers. I just really wanted to create a better community, feel like you guys are part of this travel community, and what better way than to contribute to your travel piggy bank than by doing a cash giveaway. So make sure you stay all the way until the end because that is where I'm going to be giving the instructions on how you can get into the cash giveaway and participate in it. So make sure you stay all the way until the end to get the instructions for that. So if you haven't realized yet, Paros is one of my favorite islands. I just absolutely love it here. You could get whatever basically kind of feel and vibe you want on this island. They have, bigger towns that are a little bit more party. Then they have this town, which is laid back. And then they have even smaller, just very quaint seaside towns, which is, I made a video for. It's Aliki in Paros. All of the videos and the playlist for Paros are going to be linked to this video so you guys can take a look at exactly what town just feels really good for you and what you connect with best, because honestly, that's how it is for me. Now, if you watch my videos, you'll hear me say, I absolutely loved this town. And then I'll go to the next one. I absolutely loved this town. And the truth is that I do. I love every single town that I go to. And it's not just because I'm Greek and I'm like, oh, the motherland, it's the best and whatever. It's really just true. Every town that you go into in Greece, especially on the islands, every town just has something slightly different than the other, or the energy is just slightly different than the other. The views are just even more stunning than the other, to where, you think you go to one spot and you're like, oh my God, I absolutely love it here. And then you go to another spot and it's the same kind of thing. So I do love Piso Livadi. My first trip here on Paros Island in Greece, I just absolutely fell in love with it. So I was staying in THRU at the time, which you can actually take a bus straight from THRU here to Piso Livadi. And in my video for Nausa, I go over, just a little bit about the bus system. So you can get around Paros Island without having to rent a car. Now, is it better to have a car? You can, travel more on your time and at your leisure and, explore further than the bus system. Absolutely. But my first time in Paros, I did not rent a car and I still went to Piso Livadi. I came here. I went to Nausa. I was in Parikya. So there is definitely, still ways to get around this beautiful island without having to rent a car. So definitely don't think that that's something that you have to do. Because a lot of people do ask me that when they reach out to me, because I do answer everyone's travel questions on my Instagram. So definitely that's a question that I always get. So I always like to address it on a lot of my videos, because really on any Greek island, you will find that they have a pretty good extensive bus system for the locals and also for the tourists that come onto the island, which is something that, I just think is really great and very, very helpful, because it also allows you to travel in Greece on a good budget, which I think is very nice for some people. Everyone has this notion that Greece has to be expensive, and it really, really doesn't. If you know what you're looking for, and you know the deals to look out for, and you utilize some of the great services that Greece actually does offer its tourism, which I think is really, really helpful. Now, as you can see about Piso Livadi here in Paros, besides these just amazing, amazing views, it is probably one of the busier, smaller towns that I've been to. Now, there was some events going on when I had visited, so it was definitely a lot more busy than I would say kind of normal. But that's another thing that I love about Piso Livadi, is that it's a hub for just all of these like really great events that they have, and they are always traditional Greek events. So they will close off this little street that they have on the seaside town. They will close it off, and all the Greek people are dancing in the middle of the street, right where all the restaurants and bars are. And I just absolutely loved it. You really get the Greek experience, and just see the Greek dancing, the Greek music, and you are really with the Greek people as well when they do these events. It's not just a town that is catered to just the tourism. You really get an actual feel of what Greek life is, and that is something that I absolutely love. So now let's discuss about the giveaway. So I am so excited about this giveaway, and there's just a few things that you need to know so you can participate in the giveaway. So the first thing that you need to do is make sure that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel. This cash giveaway is for all of my YouTube subscribers. The next thing you need to do is share this video with a family member or friend that you want to come and visit Paros, Greece with. And then the third thing you need to do is make sure that you go and follow me on Instagram, as that is where I will be doing the giveaways in my Instagram stories. So all of my links are going to be in the video description down below, as well as my direct link to my Instagram page. So you're going to subscribe to the YouTube channel, share this video with a family or friend, and go follow me on Instagram and pay attention to my stories, as that is where I will be handling the cash giveaways for all of my YouTube subscribers. I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Until next time, super excited to get this giveaway going, and see you then.